As a property owner, it's a great idea to have a basic understanding of how your roofing system works, helping you spot the early warning signs of damage. Keep an eye on these vital roofing system components and their warning signs. Rafters. Most residential roofs in our area are supported by rafters. Rafters are simply long boards made of wood. These boards are placed at an angle that runs from the ridge board to the structure. Sheathing. Sheathing is plywood that covers the roofing system support structure and helps bind the rafters or substructure together. Underlayment. Underlayment is placed between the sheathing and the shingles and prevents moisture from damaging your roof. Shingles. As the most visible aspect of your roof, shingles come in a variety of materials and styles, with each type having its own advantages. Drainage system. Everything from a roof's shape, layout, and materials is designed to quickly remove water from your roof and away from your home. Flashing. This is a sheet metal material placed under shingles to redirect water away from vulnerable locations on the roof. Call Houston Roofing and Construction today at 832-237-3737 for a free roofing estimate.